Hi, it's Mark, RPM Tesla. We're really excited today to show everybody our carbon fiber dashboard replacements for the Model 3. This is our new delivery truck. If you happen to be in Southern California, free pickup and drop-off service from delivery to your home, and we also install many products. But let's take a look at what we got today. Over here on the cart, we've got two versions of our Model 3 carbon fiber molded dashboards. This one is the matte finish, the non-reflective, non-shiny finish, and this is the glossy finish. So if you're one of our customers who's purchased our beautiful rolled edge carbon fiber mirror caps, or one of our beautiful carbon fiber molded spoilers, you're going to love this beautiful interior upgrade. So let's take a look at it. This is exactly what you're going to get from us. This is a complete dashboard swap out piece that we have rebuilt, manufactured it, purchased it directly from Tesla, and then we are going to send it to you, and you're going to send your wooden dashboard back to us, and then we'll be selling it to the next person. So let's show you how this installs with absolutely no tools required. It's simple. It just snaps out, snaps in. There are two end caps on each side. Once we take off both end caps, this dashboard pops right out. There's absolutely no tools required. So for the upper cap, we like to use something like a magic marker and put it on the end and hold on to the cap. Force it until it comes loose. You have two clips that hold right in these two slots, the yellow slots, and once you remove those, you've released one of the four caps. The next cap is right below. This is a wooden door, kind of like if there was a fuse panel. Again, 3 class, goes in and out, no problem. And this half of the dashboard is ready to be removed. Let's go do the same thing on the other side. We don't want to mark up the finish. So again, just something that'll help pry it and push it to the side. 2 class, it comes right out, no damage, goes right back in. The lower compartment, or the lower cap, and now the dashboard is ready to be removed. So we're going to stay on this angle, and I'm going to get inside and show you from a little wider point of view what we're going to do. Now the dashboard just unsnaps. So watch this. You just lift it up all the way across. It snaps in, it snaps out, and that's it. One piece. Simple. You're going to take this and send it back to us, and we're going to refund your core charge deposit. Again, same thing, no tools, easy to remove. And let's get the matte one and put it in. All right, now you have the RPM Tesla dashboard. We're going to put it back in. We're going to hit each one of these clasps by simply pushing it in and down, and it locks into place, and that's it. So just get into your car and slide the dashboard this way, and then we insert it right back inside or underneath, and we'll line up the first clasp to make sure we're perfectly centered. And again, the high angle here really helps direct it. And that's it. I mean, once you're on this angle and you're sitting flat, watch this. All the way across. Push it down hard. You're locked in place. You can even open up the glove box to see how perfect the fit is. And that's it. Then reassembly. Take the first piece, and remember this again, these locking end caps actually hold it in place. So there's 3 clasps, and 2 of them are part of the dashboard you just put in. So we simply line it up, tap, tap, tap. Take the upper end cap, snap, snap, and look at this OEM, beautiful, perfect look. No reflection from the sun. Nothing getting in the camera eye. A lot of people are going to like the matte finish. And let's go on the other side. Who knew it could be so simple? No tools required. Again, line up the three locking pins. Take the top piece. There's only one way it goes in. Line it up, snap, and you are done. Get in here and check this thing out. Look at the finish on that. Now, of course, people are going to wonder about glossy versus matte. Matte is beautiful. Matte is not going to reflect sunlight. It has a flat matte finish. But glossy looks three-dimensional and a little deeper. So as you look at this, you can compare that to the three-dimensional look of the deep glossy finish. Again, these are both going to be available to ship. We're going to have a core charge exchange. We only have 5 or 10 dashboards to work with, so we're going to be shipping these out. You're simply going to take your wooden dash, put this in the bag, in the box. We're going to pay the shipping back. Once we get this back, we'll refund your core charge. And everything is absolutely beautiful. You're going to have this incredible carbon fiber molded dashboard. This is not a decal. It is 100% molded carbon fiber. And again, we have replaced the wooden ones, and we purchased 5 of these from the dealer, taken the wood off and put carbon fiber on top. These are now shipping, now in stock. Any questions, call us, and they'll be on the website. Thanks. Now we're going to show everybody what the glossy one looks like fully installed. So let's put the glossy one in. You can see the finish, how it looks there in the sun versus in the car. And again, all you do is lift it over, place it down, put a little angle on it, and it goes inside, underneath the lip of the dashboard. And then angle it up. It fits right, it goes right into place perfect. I mean, look at that. Just once you drop the back down, the front lines up perfect. And then look at this. Anybody can install this. Just snap it down. You hear a few locks, and it's rock solid. Super simple to install. And now we're going to get some pictures and video, and then we're going to simply put everything on. I mean, it doesn't get much easier. Thank you, TEALA, for making it all snap together and come apart. So simple for us to redesign this piece. The perfect leading edges on the corners. How, since the wood has been completely removed, there's no issues. This is not a cap. This is a molded carbon fiber piece that has replaced the wood. The wood piece is completely gone. And here's the driver's point of view, looking down the road. It might look a little nicer if it had a carbon fiber steering wheel. So here is the glossy view from the passenger seat. And everybody asks us about glare. So I think if we look at it from over here, this is about how much glare you're gonna get. You're gonna get the reflection of the sun. If this is blinding, which some people say it is, go with matte. If you want the 3D, beautiful carbon fiber look, go with the glossy.